Excalibur water pump malfunction. Always alarm coming. This one, alarm coming, always red light coming, and then the problem is the transistor only. The number of transistor is this one. P80 is 80 ampere. Na ito yung code niya. Number of transistor. Ito yung transistor niya. Gate drain source. Yan. Paganahin ko yung ano niya, signal. Yan. Wala na yung alarm. Ito yung alarm niya eh. Naka-power on yung ganyang ilaw. Ito yata yung off. Yan, naka-off position yan. Pag power on mo ito. Ito lang yung dapat palitan. Yung 6 na transistor. Replace this one. 6 pieces of P80 NF55. 6 pieces like this with heatsink. This one. Dito with water, this one. And with like this O-ring for seal the circuit. This one is 12 volts and 24 dual voltage. Yan, ito lang yung papalitan guys. And then use wire to connect here the circuit, this circuit with extension wire. Like this. And lagyan nyo ng silicone after connected together. Yan, okay na guys. Ito yung ano niya, yung motor. Brushless motor. Yan, ito yung assembly niya. Impeller. This one guys, impeller. Dual impeller niya siya guys. Dual impeller. Yan guys. Madali naman siyang i-assembly eh. Kasi may ano siya yung dito, may pattern. Yan o, yan. Tapat mo lang din yung naka-usli dito. Yan guys o. Dual impeller siya guys. Ito yung assembly niya. Tapos ito naman. Ito yung shop seal niya. Dito yan guys. Ceramics materials, this one. Ceramics or carbon. Yan, nakaganyan yan guys. That's all guys. Ito yung ano niya, Excalibur. Ang ano niya, yung specs niya is 68 PSI and 4.5 bars. And that's all guys. Ganun lang palitan guys. Ito lang ito. This one IC ST ang gawa. ST Micro Electronics, made in China. You know, six pieces palitan nyo para hindi na kayo ma problema.